only thing holding it together is the rust.
So much for a mint pristine Mustang. This is what they call mint and pristine. I call it a pig with lipstick. Needing more lipstick. So my friends, it looks like we've got ourselves another piece of crap project to work on, as you can see. Look at the rest of the car. 65 Mustang. Don't know if this one's going to make it to the YouTube channel, but Sharp Customs, share, like, subscribe, comment. We're doing the rockers, obviously. Just want to show you. There's my fingers. That's how thick the Bondo is there. Check that. You can tell it's old school. It's got the brass in it. We're going to try and do what we can with this. Inner rockers are good. Tops of the outers are good. But as you can see, there's a lot of muck job done. But basically, here at Sharp Customs, we will try and clean it up, fix them holes in the floor. It is a rag top. It does have some structural components to it, which seem to be fine. But we'll take our time on this project. We'll just put some more lipstick on it. I'm not sure how long this video is. We still got the quarter scale on the shelf. Did some testing of the chassis running. Maybe we'll show that video when we make it, because we had issues with it. And until the next video, we'll see more of this crap. Share, like, subscribe. Later.